Ready to get started here. Okay, so this is continuing with Geall-Cuid Seacht, part 7. So Bob and Kathleen, we have our readers. Okay, so you want to start us off there, Bob? Okay. Wait.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
Okay, so Hogan Doctor Srach Echaint and Gully Chostacha Avi Cholam. So
Dr.
Gave, okay. Some kind of a look. Srach Echaint is a glance. Echaint is a look. Srach Echaint is a glance. And what did he glance at? Yeah.
I guess maybe it was a stethoscope
Yeah.
used in his chest.
Okay, so Koli, we've seen this word. Koli is a suit.
Okay.
So Koli Chostasach, costly suit.
The doctor glanced at the suit Colin was wearing.
Yeah, it was an expensive one. Chostasach. Okay, and now Kathleen number 2.
Nach jenen to over
So what does that mean? Not, don't you work at all. Nach jenen to ober erbith. Okay, 3. So Chrich Kolam Achyan.
Returned, arrived.
Shook.
No, he shook his head.
Yeah. He shook his head. Kathleen.
Vuin me dus vor the crown court nashunta mal o shin
Go him.
and dirche la miangura.
Okay, so Wui med Jewish war. What did he do?
He did something big.
Okay, you remember what Jewish is?
What?
Bob Kathleen? Jewish. Jewish is a prize. So Wui me Jewish war. I won a large prize. Safran hur nashunta.
In the national lottery
Okay. Tamil ohin.
a while ago.
What does cranchur mean, like gamble or bet or game?
Kranhur. It's a lot. That's the word for lottery. Okay. Tamil ohin. A dirt shelim yon ghaira. You remember? Remember what a myon ghaira is?
And a laugh.
It's a little laugh or smile.
Oh, with the small, okay, young guy. Okay, yeah, with
Okay.
a smile, small smile.
All right. It's a smile. Yeah, myon ghaira is a smile. Bob, number 5.
Nigadam in other egino.
Ni gadom in obrayena.
I don't have to.
I don't have to
Work.
Do any work.
do any work in ober any work ayena. Okay. Roche Kathleen.
On will ein kaham einshira agat. Golf, no sport, egget den sort shin.
So and will in kachav em shira agat. So
Is there any
okay. You want the word kachav or emshir?
green?
Okay, so emshir is time.
Time.
Kachav is the word kaf. It means throw. So it's a spending of time or pastime.
Yeah.
So kachav emshir is a pastime.
Yeah, do you have any
Don't you have any
pastime,
hobbies?
like
Okay.
golf, sport, or any kind of, any kind?
Yeah. Okay, or any sport like that, of that sort. Okay. Rishak, Bob.
But we know
Yeah.
But we know he likes to get drunk, isn't that
Yeah. Okay. Number 8, we'll find out what he likes. Number 8, Kathleen.
Ni hachnian a cleot lum.
So ni hanian, you can say hachian or hanian.
Hachian.
Akliach lom. Or ni hanian lom means? No. Bob?
There's something does not please me.
Yeah.
Really
Akliach.
interests me.
Akliach is exercise.
Oh,
No, exercise doesn't interest me.
Yeah, please me. I don't like exercise. Okay. Is there any, Bob?
Ismalian Karana sport Hemant.
So,
I guess he likes just watching it. Or
yeah, car na sport,
car.
cars of sport.
sport car.
A humanch.
Oh, but I like my sports car a lot.
A Hyomaint, you know what the word Hyomaint is? Hyomani, to drive, yeah. A Hyomaint, to drive.
Yeah.
Okay, so he likes to drive sports cars. Iberje Kathleen.
Is Doka or Kav Einshura a Shin? I think, well, that's how I spend my time.
Yeah. Oh. It's Doka. What's this
Yeah, I
Doka?
think
Probably, I suppose, yeah.
Kav to spend.
Gur Kahavam Shura Shin. That is a pastime, so I suppose that's a pastime.
Oh,
Okay.
I can see now what he's up to.
Okay, 11, Bob.
Regische Dradhar Leshem Nachtor.
Okay.
Well, the doctor gave, the doctor laughed some kind of
Who laughed? Okay, yeah, he gave him a grin. He grinned at the doctor.
Russian doctor.
So he made a grin with the doctor. He grinned at the doctor. Okay. Ibra Doyeg Kathleen?
Rinne session train area Hemus
Ayivas.
Ayivas era Kunil Queen Shri.
Free Chrian. So Rinya Sheshen train Irach Ayivas a Chinyal Free Chrian. So Rinya Sheshen train Irach. What do you think that means? Do you recognize any pieces of those words? So remember the word Iri? Ir. Okay, Irach is an attempt. So train Irach is a strong attempt. Okay, so Rinya should train Irach. See, what do you think it is?
He made a strong attempt.
He made a strong attempt. He tried hard. He tried very hard. A Yivas Jivas? Or Mass? Mass and Jivas? No? Okay, Jivas. Bob and Kathleen, you want to take a shot at it?
Remember who had maths last
Yeah,
week?
Mass and Jivas. Okay, Mass is respect, so Jivas would be basic disdain. So a Yivas his disdain on him, or his disdain for him,
The
they say in
doctor
English.
tried to hide his disdain.
Yeah, a chinyal fui hrian. Chinyal is to keep fui hrian under control.
Yeah.
Okay, so he made a strong attempt, so he tried very hard to keep his disdain for him under control. 13, Bob.
Wilfred Post.
Are you married?
Wilty Posta, are you married? Posta is married. And 14, Kathleen?
Neelim.
So,
No.
no. Okay, 15, Bob.
Stocha gemeente mee maal sanetje der gena.
So, probably Gamientu Ama. Gamientu Ama, what do you think? Outside.
Late at night.
Yeah, Mal Sanicha, late at night, the Gana. Usually, yeah. So, I suppose you're out late at night, usually. Okay? It's slow, yeah, but Gamal Sanicha would be, or Mal Sanicha would be late at night. Okay? 16, Ketchling.
Smed column akyan.
Smaid Colin. He nodded his head. Smaid Shachyan. Seacht, Bob.
Niet je dan eieren rem om loin.
Nifudon. Iri Rib Amloin. What parts do you know there?
I didn't get up, so I guess.
Amloin. Riv. Yeah, Riv is different than Rhea. Riv.
Guess I don't have to get up to do anything.
Yeah, it's not worth it for me. Nifudom, it's not worth it for me to get up before lunchtime. Riv Amloin. Am is time, loin is of lunch. Okay, Ochje Ketchling.
Is minnig nach mim immer he riv on Tranona.
Okay. Minik nach mima mahi, Riv and Tronona. Okay.
Yeah.
It isn't, or it is often. Nach mim,
Sitting.
that I'm not actually. I'll explain that.
Before
Imahi, Riv and Tronona, yeah.
In the afternoon.
Yeah, before noon, yeah. Okay.
Anshin Kahemanisha a globe Isha Egin.
Okay.
I'm usually in the night.
Yeah, alright. Kahemanika iglobiha again. So kahemanika.
I usually spend my night.
I spend the night.
At
Kahemanika.
at night time.
That's that word kah. Okay,
Yeah.
which has a lot of meanings. Iver ficha ketslin.
Tá an scéal seo an simply
And simply.
a dúirt an doctor go ciúin.
So ta and scale show and simply.
There is a story here
This story
that's
is
simple.
It's very simple. This story is very simple. Or this situation is very simple.
Quietly.
Yeah. He said quietly, the doctor. Okay?
Tá tinhas gada o ve ag ehab bia ro have beer.
Mhm.
Really?
Yeah, stomach.